Sleep deprivation is an epidemic. It affects you, all levels of your business, and eventually your bottom line. Today, over 40% of your employees are struggling to perform effectively due to lack of sleep. Sleep deprivation contributes to stress, illness, and burnout, leading to time off work. Now, imagine a workplace where concepts are flowing and employees are engaged. Let us provide concrete solutions for your employees to make this workplace a reality for your business, a wise investment in your company's continued success.